Hi everyone, it's Ted at the Holmes team with William Ravis Real Estate. What exactly is a home warranty and should you consider one? A home warranty is a 1 to 2 year service agreement that covers the repair and replacement of major home system components and appliances that may need repairs or break down over time. If a covered item can't get repaired, it gets replaced. Now, a home warranty is not for everybody. There are pros and cons to consider depending on your situation. And there are many companies that offer different plans and services. So do your research because some are better than others. If you own a home warranty could mean not having to pay the cost of major repairs. Just keep in mind, in most cases, you'll be required to use an approved service provider and technicians, and there usually is a service fee up to $100 per call. If you're selling a home warranty could make your listing more appealing, offering buyers peace of mind against unexpected repairs and mitigate unexpected issues from the home inspection to keep your sale on track. Plus, you can transfer the plan to the buyer at closing. For buyers, consider a home warranty, especially first-time buyers. A warranty can be a safety net, particularly if the home systems and appliances are at the end of their useful life. It provides peace as you learn to settle into home ownership. For investment property owners, a home warranty can be a lifesaver. For example, I currently manage a rental property for a client that lives out of the area. When the washing machine recently stopped working and needed repair, the warranty covered a replacement, saving the owner unexpected expense. Like I said, home warranties are not for everybody, but they are worth considering based on your needs. If you have questions about home warranties or real estate in general, reach out anytime. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.